Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White here. Today we are on lesson 73, so make sure you have your worksheet out and your name on it and you're ready to go. We're going to do something a little bit different for our start. We're going to talk about suffixes, some vowel sounds, and we are going to write down the letters that make those sounds on numbers 1 through 10. So a lot of times we just do sounds and then we write down the letters, but this is going to be a little bit different. So let's go through it. On number 1, I want you to write down the suffix in slowly. Slowly. So slow is our root word, ly is our suffix. On number 2, I want the vowel sound in the word spray. So that's spray, A, and it's A-Y in spray. Number 3, the k sound in hike. How do you make the k sound in hike? It's K-E, because we have H-I-K-E. Number 4, the initial sound in artist, R, and that's our combination AR. Number 5, the suffix in harmless. So harm is our root word, less is our suffix. All right. Go ahead and make sure you have these written down, and I'm going to erase them. We're going to move on to the next 5. All right, number 6 is the final sound in stuff. It's 2 F's in stuff. Number 7, the medial sound, so the middle sound in term. That's that combination ER. Number 8, the final sound in shook. Shook. That's just K. Number 9, the final sound in majestic. Majestic. Remember, when we have more than 2 syllables, or 2 or more syllables, and we have that k sound at the end, it's just a C. And number 10, the initial sound in choose. Choose. C-H. Okay, make sure you have those written down before I erase, and then we're going to practice spelling a couple of words. On number 11, remember I always say you can pause and try to spell on your own if you don't want me to help you out. Number 11, we are going to spell much. M-a-ch. M-a-ch. Much. Number 12, we are going to spell after. 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 All right. Make sure you have those 2 written down, whoopsies, before we move on to our next digraph that we're learning. Or it's not digraph, sorry. It's a combination. So let's look at some words. We have cork, sort, and forget. Whoopsies. Forget. What do we notice that all of these words have kind of in the middle of them, their medial sound? It's or. And what letters do we see that make that? O-R, right? All right. So when we have 2 letters that come together to make an unexpected sound, it is called a combination. So this is called combination O-R. And when we're coding, we should do it with that little irk. A little loop, just like we do on the ER and the AR. All right. So our picture card for this, we have horse. So when we see this, we'll say horse combination OR. All right. Let's practice spelling a little bit with our OR. Again, if you want to pause after I say the word and practice spelling on your own, that's awesome. Number 14 is for. So we have f and then the or. Number 15 is corn. K. Orn. Remember our CK spelling with C and K. We have an O, so we know that C is the first letter and not a K. On number 16, it's north. N, or, so N, or, th, or TH. Digraph TH. All right, make sure that you have these 3 down, and then we're going to move on to coding. All right, number 17, we have thorn. We have our combination OR, our digraph TH, and that's all we need to do there. Thorn. Number 18, stormy. We have our suffix Y that we box off, and then we look at our root word. We have our combination OR, and that's all we're doing there too. Number 19, popcorn. Here we have our vowel consonant, consonant vowel. We have our combination OR. We get a brev here on our O. That one had a lot going on, didn't it? All right, number 20 is porch. We have our digraph CH, and we have our combination OR on porch. Number 21, we have horse. We don't say that E at the end, and we have combination OR. All right, look at those words. Draw a line to the picture, or yes, from the word to the picture, it matches. And make sure you have this all down. Pause if you need to. I'm going to erase it. All right, number 22, dimple. Dimple. All right, we have our little bracket here of our final stable syllable sound, PLE. We cross off the E, and then we have a brev on the I. Number 23, jars. We have our suffix S, and think about jars makes kind of that Z sound, so we draw the line through the S. Then we have combination AR there. 24, rented. We have our suffix ED and a brev on our E. 25, daylight. Here we have a compound word. We have day and light. We're going to draw a line in between them. Here we have our AY. We cross off the Y, and the A gets a macron. And then here we have our IGH. We underline our trigraph. We draw a line through the G and the H because we don't say them. The I gets a macron. All right, and then 26, we have a contraction, she'll. And we don't do anything to code that. Alrighty, make sure you pause this if you need it, and I'm gonna go over the backside homework with you. You're going, ooh. Well, Miss White copied the wrong backside for this, so I can't even show it to you, but go ahead and do your homework and I will reprint them at school so that you have the right ones. So on the back, you're probably going to read a paragraph and then answer some questions, would be my guess. But I have the wrong back. So, alrighty, I will see you next time.